Do not wait. We're really trying to get everyone immune together as quickly as possible.
Healthcare leaders are now asking everyone who is eligible to get vaccinated to sign up now.
Fox 13 Sydney Glenn spoke with doctors and a spokesperson for the health department about how far we are from herd immunity and how quickly the vaccine is being rolled out.
She's live in Salt Lake City with the story. Sydney.
Bob and Kelly, state health data shows about 15% of Utahns have now at least received one dose of that COVID-19 vaccine, which doctors say is wonderful. But that's not enough people to ditch the mask just yet. More and more Utahns are getting vaccinated.
And right now, we're administering about 97% of all of our first doses within 7 days of receiving them.
Dr. Hannah Imlay says the end goal is to achieve herd immunity, or have about 70 to 90% of the population with at least a level of protection against the virus.
But herd immunity is basically the idea that there are enough people in the community that can't get COVID by a number of mechanisms that COVID will stop spreading in the community.
Dr. Tamara Sheffield says right now about 20% of Utah's population has some level of immunity between people who have had COVID-19 in the past couple of months and those who have had at least one dose of the vaccine.
We're getting rid of the severe disease by using all three of these vaccines.
The number of people being vaccinated is expected to speed up quickly.
All the indications from the federal government have been that sometime around the second week of March, so maybe the week after next, we're really going to start seeing an increase in the number of Pfizer and Moderna doses that we receive. And also J&J should really have its production ramped up by probably the third week of March.
Dr. Sheffield says it's important people don't wait for a certain vaccine, rather get whichever one is available as soon as possible, so the CDC keeps sending them to us.
The CDC is watching to make sure that when they give us the vaccine, we use it immediately. So if people delay and say, well, maybe I'll get it a little later, it may not be there later for them because the CDC will say, well, great, New York City, they're getting it done. It's going there.
Now that race to the finish line is on.
If we could get everybody vaccinated as fast as possible, that decreases the chance that we'll have resistant virus or things like that that are then causing a problem, even among vaccinated people.
It is important to remember no one is required to get that vaccine, but doctors say if you have any questions, reach out to your healthcare provider and talk it through with them. We also have more information on our website, fox13now.com, on who is eligible right now and where you can get vaccinated. Live in Salt Lake City, Sydney Glenn, Fox 13 News.